I've always had a great appreciation of nature. Some have even said that I even have had a great appreciation of nature. I love wide skies filled with mighty clouds, beautiful cascading rivers flowing over bountiful rocks. But what I truly love are forests. Friendly critters scurrying about, a comforting canopy above your head, the earthy smell flowing into your nose. I just love it. I don't know why, I always have. I like birds a lot, too. That's also another thing. But I just like forests a lot. A lot, a lot. And I just like them a lot. They're the best. I truly have a great appreciation for forests and trees. I like trees too.
David, can you come here? I need to talk to you about something.
Yeah, what's up, Mr. Douglas?
I want to cut down Devil's Forest to put down some apartments and maybe a mall.
Devil Forest, you said?
Yes.
I can't.
Why can't you?
I grew up in Devil Forest. I love Devil Forest. I could never cut it down.
I don't care. I need to get this chunk of change put down our pockets.
What about the beavers and the forest? And
The hell with the beavers and everything. I want my money.
Well, if you're gonna cut down Devil Forest, I quit.
Earth First, we're here to protect Devil's Forest.
What's this all about?
We're here to protect Devil's Forest.
Is this a protest?
Yeah,
I love Devil Forest. How do I help?
you can join our group,
What's your group called?
Earth First.
Oh, that sounds really cool. What do you do?
We protect the planet and especially right now the trees. We don't want the trees to
I
be destroyed.
really like trees. How do I join?
You want to join?
Yeah, I like trees.
Here's our card, and we have a meeting tonight. Would you like to join us?
Yeah.
All right.
6 p.m. tonight?
Yeah.
Awesome. I'll be there.
Good. Thank you. David, I'm so glad that you joined our group.
I'm so glad I could make it today.
Earth First is so excited that you have joined us. Do you have any questions about the group?
Yeah, what's the philosophy behind Earth First?
Yeah, so us as a group, we want to
Mhm.
protect Earth and its environment from like companies, the government from destroying animals' habitat.
Like Mr. Douglas?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think about plants and animals?
Yeah, we want to help their environment so then they can have optimal growth
Mhm.
and help us live a better life.
Yeah. Like how, like birds in the sky and they're so
Mhm.
beautiful.
Yeah.
And beavers and they make dams and stuff.
We want them to live longer.
Yeah. How do you plan on saving Devil Forest?
Mr. Douglas is the CEO of the operation, and so we've, as a group, tried to persuade Mr. Douglas to stop this tear down of Devil's Forest, but he's not agreeing with us. So, with a lot of thought, we just thought to protest by tree sitting and to protect the forest.
So it seems like there's nothing.
There's nothing we can do.
But the earth is so important over it, all of humanity. There must be something we can do.
We've tried tree sitting in other places, and that has worked sometimes. So maybe this situation will help.
Okay.
It seems like all hope is lost. Is there anything I can do to save Devil Forest? Mr. Douglas is hell-bent on destroying it. I don't know what I can do to save it. If I got rid of him, it would save Devil Forest. If I somehow took him out of the picture. I do have an illegal firearm I keep on my person at all times. I could blow his head off. I could explode him with my gun. I love Devil Forest. I love the trees and I love the birds. I like birds. What choice do I have? I think I have to kill Mr. Douglas.
Hello?
Hey, Mr. Douglas?
Hey, David.
Yeah, I was thinking about how we ended things, and I'd like to meet up with you if that would be okay.
Yeah, we can meet up.
Yeah, could we meet out in your house?
Sounds good.
Okay, cool. Thanks. Bye. What's up, Mr. Douglas?
Nothing much. Hey man, listen, I just want money back from.
Shut up, man. Do you have anything to say for yourself?
You not shoot me so you got a life?
Sorry, buddy. I have to protect the planet.
What if I cut down another forest? Just not double one.
No. I have to save the planet. I like birds. You're killing birds.
Okay, what if I don't kill birds?
I have to do this.
Jury, is this your final verdict?
Yes, Your Honor.
Order in the court. I, Judge Kimmich, and the jury find the defendant, David Donald, on one count of first-degree murder, guilty as charged.